If I say, go and get a glass of water for me, open the door, give me the book, eat your food. So what I'm doing? What am I doing?
You're giving orders.
Yes, I'm giving orders. So we use imperative for the same purpose. It is used to give order, command, instructions to somebody. Okay? And when we are using the imperative form, we do not use subject. Do I say, you go and you give me a glass of water, or I'll just say, go and give me a glass of water?
You would say, give me a glass of water, right?
Yeah, I won't say, you give me a glass of water. Or I would say, you eat your food properly or eat your food properly.
Eat your food properly.
Exactly. So even if I'm talking to second person, obviously orders are given and commands are given to second person, right? To somebody who is in front of you, who is with you. So in that
Correct.
case, we do not use subjects.
Okay.
To whom we are giving order, we never use them as like you or he or she. Okay. So
Yes.
this is imperative. In imperatives, we use the conjugation of who, tu, and nu. Because when we are giving command or order to ourselves, it's like, let's go, let's do, let's have, that way. Let's eat. So it's for us, for ourselves. That's why we use conjugation of only three pronouns, tu, vu, and nu in imperatives. But if we are using conjugation of tu conjugation is used when you're talking to second person informally. Okay. Nu conjugation is used when you're talking to yourself. Vu conjugation is used when you're talking to second person formally. You will use
Yes.
the conjugation, but you will not use these subjects while you're giving command and order. Clear? Up
Yes.
to here. It's clear? Okay. Now I've taken a simple verb, parler. If I'm asking somebody to, let's say, if I say, speak politely. So here, it can be formal, it can be informal. What will I do? You just take you, who, and no forms. You, who, no. What are you gonna do? If it's like informal, so it's going to be parle. Since we have been told that we are not supposed to use a subject associated to each conjugation. So it's gonna be simply like parle, speak. Because I'm talking to second person informally. If I'm talking to somebody, if I'm asking somebody to speak politely in the formal manner, it's going to be parler. That's it. I will not use vous in my command. Parler. And if it is for ourselves, it's going to be parlons, which means let us speak. Parlons. For ourselves, of course, we will use the conjugations, but we will not use the associated subjects. Parlons.
Okay.
Okay. Another rule. It happens in case of tu. When I'm using tu form for imperative, so it is ending with es, right? So if the tu conjugation in the present form ends with es, you have to remove s from it for imperative. So it's going to be just parle, parle. It's a rule. If tu conjugation in present form ends with es, you have to remove es from it Okay, so you have to just remove S from it and keep it till E in case of imperatives. Imperative. So parle poliment, speak politely. Parlez poliment, speak politely. Parlons poliment, let us speak politely.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Simi, j'habite à Jalandhar, j'ai 28 ans. Je parle 4 langues hindi, anglais, punjabi et français. J'aime beaucoup la langue française grâce à Fluent Fast Academy. Hello everyone, my name is Simi. I live in Jalandhar. My experience with Fluent Fast Academy is really great. Our teacher, Chetna ma'am, she clears our every doubt. Her passion and dedication towards the class is beyond words. We love you, Chetna ma'am. Merci beaucoup, Fluent Fast Academy. Au revoir.